the day. Saying Alhamdulillah with 1,000 pains in the chest is an example of your deep faith in Allah. Alhamdulillah for everything. At last, I will call Hafsa and Mishma a dialogue of good health. Hello Mishma, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine, but what happened to you?
Nothing serious, but I feel very weak.
It seems to me you are very careless about your health. Maybe you do not take physical exercise regularly.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I am not able to take physical exercise on daily basis.
But you didn't. But you do. But you know physical exercise is important to fitter.
Yes, you are right.
If you did not take physical exercise regularly, you cannot keep yourself fit.
Thank you for the great advice.